Okay, this is part 3 of the rebuild with an ipoly dye. It came out pretty black. Only issue that I might have with this is that it's like a permanent marker off color look to it. So hopefully flatten out eventually to a flatter color. But it even dyed this plastic part, which is pretty cool. It dried onto that. So it's a pretty good deal. Trying to get them done. The only issue also is that if you use one of these pots to boil them in, they say not to use that pot anymore for any other use other than like an industrial use. It's no longer for food use. Of course, because you don't want to contaminate your family and poison them or whatever. But it came out pretty good. Mostly even. Not exactly perfect. You're not gonna get perfect results, I don't think. And we did our best to mix for an hour. To mix them and make sure it's well circulated, and that's pretty much it. Even the smaller pieces came out okay. And I'm just going to use plastic parts, so I can have black plastic parts, but not bad. Thanks for watching.